Hey mathematicians, for math today, you will need lesson 6-8 from your math book. You can find this on page 329. This is a 3-page lesson, lesson 6-8, page 329. And then you will need a crayon or a pencil. You can pick. You could even use counters for this lesson if that helps you. Go ahead and push pause so that you can get the materials that you need. And when you're ready to go, come back and push play. All right, on this first page, I'd like to see what you can do all by yourself. Listen to this story and just see what you can come up with by working on your own. Daniel's teacher is making name tags for her students. She makes 3 name tags for the boys. She makes 2 name tags for the girls. Now she has 5 name tags. How can Daniel's teacher know that she made 5? Show how you know. I even gave you the answer in that math story. What I want you to do is explain, how does Daniel's teacher know that she made 5? How can we show that? Let me read it again. Daniel's teacher is making name tags for her students. She makes 3 name tags for the boys. She makes 2 more for the girls. And now she has 5. How does Daniel's teacher know that she made 5 name tags? Go ahead and pause the video and try this on your own. I'm going to show you one way that this could be done, or one way that this could be explained. You might have done it a different way, and that is great. If we were together in class, we would talk about our different answers. Since it's a video today, it's a little bit different. But let me show you one way that we can show how Daniel's teacher knows that she made 5 name tags. Watch this. Daniel's teacher makes 3 name tags for the boys. So I drew 3 counters. These 3 counters represent the 3 name tags she made for the boys. She makes 2 more for the girls. 1, 2. These 2 counters represent the 2 name tags she made for the girls. If she counts all of them, she can see that she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She made 5 in all. We could even take this one step further and write a math equation that matches our picture. 3 plus 2 more equals 5. We're going to have some more fun today writing equations and solving math stories. Let's take a look at today's math video. Go ahead and put your pencils and your crayons down and let's watch.
What do you see in the brown basket? 4 lunch bags. How many lunch bags is Daniel carrying? 3 more. How many lunch bags are there in all? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 lunch bags in all. What tools or materials can you use to solve this problem? You can use connecting cubes. How can you use the cubes to find the answer? You can count out 4 cubes and join them to the 3 cubes. Then count them all to find the answer. How many white cubes are there? There are 4 white cubes. How many brown cubes are there? There are 3 brown cubes. How many cubes are there in all? 7 in all. How does the picture of the cubes help you find the answer? You can count each cube to find the total. What's another strategy you could use to solve this problem? You can draw a picture and then count the objects you drew. How can you count the objects you drew more quickly? There are 4 objects in the first group, so I can count on from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 lunches in all. You can also solve this problem using an addition number sentence. What do the 4 and 3 mean in the number sentence? They represent Daniel adding 3 more lunch bags to the 4 in the basket. What does the 7 represent? The 7 represents the number of lunch bags in all. What does the plus sign mean? The plus sign means joining. What does the equal sign mean?
Ooh, let's try it.
Drag the slider to see the steps.
Let me try that again. I went a little too fast. A little too fast. 4. 4 joined by 3. And 4 joined by 3 is 7, or 4 plus 3 is 7. Remember, her question was, what does the equal sign stand for? What does the equal sign mean?
The equal sign means is, so you can read the number sentence as 4 joined by 3 is 7.
We can also read this as 4 plus 3 equals 7. We can even say 4 and 3 is 7. There are lots of ways to read that number sentence. Excuse me, I wish I could have pushed pause in time for that sneeze. Excuse me. All right, let's go ahead and go back to our paper and turn your page to this one, and let's get a little bit of practice with this. We just learned that we can show our work in lots of different ways. We can use real counters, we can draw pictures, but remember we'll just draw counters instead because that's faster. And we can write an equation or write a number sentence. Let's try this a little bit together. I'm going to get a pencil. I think I'm going to use green today. Oh, I guess I should use red and blue to match those. I will. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can. All right, let's listen to this story. And then we're going to draw a picture to show what's happening. And then we're going to write an equation that matches the picture. Okay? Then we're going to talk about our equations and talk about our work. Listen to my story. Daniel puts 2 red crayons and 4 blue crayons on the table. And now there are 6 in all. How can Daniel tell that there are 6 crayons? Let's draw the picture first. Daniel puts 2 red crayons on the table. Do you see how we're drawing a picture that matches the story? And Daniel put 4 blue crayons on the table. Now there are 6 crayons in all. How do we know there are 6? We can draw a circle around all of them to show that we're counting the whole group. Let's write a math equation that matches this picture. First, we're going to write the 2. The 2 stands for those 2 red crayons. Plus sign, because we're joining these groups together. What are we joining this 2 to? We're joining the 2 to this group of 4. So we're going to write the number 4. The 4 stands for these 4 crayons. Equals, because now we're going to show what 2 plus 4 is. Let's count them all to find the total. We could count 1, 2, but we already know that that's 2 crayons, so we can count on starting with 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 crayons in all, and we know that because we drew a picture that matches the story. Let's get some more practice together. Go ahead and turn your page to this one. Now we don't have anything to trace, so we're really going to have to listen, and we're going to draw our own pictures that match these math stories that I will tell you. So listen first. We're going to work in this space right here where it says number 2 apple. George puts 4 blue paint jars and 3 red paint jars in the art room. How many paint jars are there in all? If you would like to get those specific colors, you can, but I'm not going to. I'll show you why. We can just draw counters that match our story. George puts 4 blue paint jars. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he puts 3 more in the art room. 1, 2, 3. I just drew a picture of the 2 groups of paint jars. In this group, there are 4. In this group, there are 3, because my math story said George put 4 blue paint jars and 3 red paint jars in the art room. How many paint jars are there in all? Well, let's draw a circle around this picture to show that we're going to find the total. Here's 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 paint jars in all. Let's write a math equation that matches that picture. I'm going to write the number 4 first. The 4 stands for these 4 paint jars, plus, because we joined 2 groups, 3, because there are 3 paint jars there, and it said that George put 3 more. 4 plus 3 equals 7 in all. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Look what we did. We have a picture and a math sentence that matches. Great job. All right, let's come down. We're going to do number 4, heart. Listen to my math story. Rex has 1 sheet of blue paper. Let's draw that right now. 1 for 1 sheet of blue paper. And Rex has 8 sheets of yellow paper. Let's draw that part now. 8 sheets of paper, that means 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many sheets of paper does Rex have in all? We're going to have to count all of them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sheets of paper in all. Let's write a math equation or a math sentence that matches that picture. 1 for the 1 sheet of paper, plus, how many were in the other group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. We joined 1 and 8 equals how many in all? 9 in all. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Great job. We're going to skip number 3 fish and number 5 handprint for now because we're going to do some more work together in just a second. So go ahead and turn your page. This page does say independent practice, and I do want you to try it a little bit by yourself, but you know that I'm going to show you how. After you push play, you can check your work. All right, let's try number 6 coffee cup. I'm going to read it to you, a math story, and I want you to draw the picture and write an equation that matches the picture. Let's try number 6 coffee cup first. So you're going to draw your picture right here and write your math equation right here, just like I did a minute ago. Listen to this math story. Listen carefully. Benny puts 5 bananas in a bowl, and then he puts in 4 more. How many bananas does he have in all? I'll read it one more time, then I want you to push pause. Benny puts 5 bananas in a bowl. Then he puts in 4 more. How many bananas does he have in all? Go ahead and push pause. Draw your picture and write an equation that matches. Did you do it? Let's check and see. Benny puts 5 bananas in a bowl. Then he puts in 4 more. How many bananas in all? Draw a circle to show that you're counting the whole group. 5 plus 4 more equals, how many were there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bananas in all. 5 plus 4 equals 9. All right, let's try another one. Number 7 Christmas tree. I want you to listen to the math story and then try it all by yourself first before you check your work with me. Listen close. Chris eats 2 grapes at lunch, and then he has 6 grapes for snack. How many grapes did Chris eat in all? Listen one more time. Chris eats 2 grapes for lunch and 6 grapes for snack. How many grapes did Chris have in all? Give it a try. Push pause. Did you try it? Here's my picture. Watch. Chris eats 2 grapes for snack and 2 grapes for lunch and 6 for snack. 1, 2 for snack. And I totally goofed that, didn't I? 2 grapes for lunch and 6 grapes for snack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many grapes did Chris have in all? Circle them all to show that we're counting all of them. Now, let's write a math equation that matches. 2 for the 2 grapes that Chris had for lunch, plus 6 for the 6 grapes that Chris had for snack, equals how many in all? Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 2 plus 6 equals 8. All right, I want to take a look at number 9 kite. We're going to skip number 8 flag. You can write an X on it if you want, or just leave it blank. Let's listen to the math story for this one. Number 9, Kite. I want you to listen to the story, then draw a circle around the connecting cubes that match the story, and then tell why. We're going to write the number for how many there are in all. Listen to the math story. Jimmy picks 5 raspberries. Then he picks 3 more. How many does he have in all? Listen again. Jimmy picks 5 raspberries. Then he picks 3 more. How many does he have in all? Which set of counting cubes, this set or this set, matches the story? Draw a circle around the one that you think. Remember, Jimmy picks 5 raspberries and then 3 more. Which one matches? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. 4 and 3. That doesn't match the story, does it? My story said Jimmy picked 5 raspberries. Let's see if this matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's this set. How many berries did Jimmy pick in all? 5, 6, 7, 8. He picked 8 raspberries in all. You guys are doing fabulous. Turn the page. Here's today's homework page. I would like you to do one side. You can pick this side or this side. You don't have to do them both, but you can if you would like the extra practice. All right, kiddos, that's it for today. Have fun doing your homework and do a great job drawing the pictures and writing the equations that match, or the math sentences that match your picture. Have a great day. Bye-bye.